Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Capricorn, it's sign. This is April mid-month reading. This is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Capricorn, what are the messages for you? What are the messages for you, Capricorn, and what's going on? Under the deck, 4 of Cups and 8 of Cups. I think you are in separation. For some, you are in separation with your person. 8 of Cups and 4 of Cups. But you are feeling missed opportunity with your person. Yes, you have to walk away due to any reason. But still you have emotions for this person. You are still feeling missed opportunity with your person. So let's see your reading. Recent past, the Sun, Page of Swords and 3 of Wands. For some third party situation involved in this connection, children's also involved in this connection. And yes, you turn your back from your person. 3 of Wands energy is here. And this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. Yes, you turn your back from your person. And Page of Swords, but there is lots of spying is going. Your person is watching you and they're spying on you online. Maybe you have to walk away for your self-respect also. Maybe they cheated on you, lied to you. And then present the Tower, 6 of Cups and 9 of Cups. Yes, this breakup is also a tower moment for you because you are also undergoing some tower moment. And you are thinking about them a lot because you both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. Definitely you are thinking about them and they are also thinking about you. And 9 of Cups. But your wishes are going to be granted. 9 of Cups energy. Maybe you are wishing for this connection. You want your person back. Yes, you wishing for that. Then future, the Chariot, Hermit and Queen of Cups. So Hermit, you are not talking to anyone right now. You are undergoing some spiritual awakening. You still have strong emotions towards your person. Queen of Cups energy. You still have feelings. Maybe one part of you want to walk away from this connection, but another part still want this person back. But you decided to move on because Chariot with a Hermit and under the deck 4 of Cups and 8 of Cups. Yes, you decided to move on, but you are not forgetting this person. Yes, you can't let go this person easily. You are getting a lot of thoughts about this person. And yeah, you are trying to move on from this person, but it is very difficult for you. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Cancer, or Virgo, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see your person feelings and intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. So first we will see your person feelings, Capricorn. Their feelings. The World, Wheel of Fortune, 9 of Swords, 3 of Pentacles, the Hierophant and 3 of Swords. Yes, there are some commitment issues between you and your person, but now your person thinking about commitment because 3 of Pentacles with the Hierophant. Definitely they want partnership with you. Now they're realizing you both Capricorn. Now they're thinking about partnership with you. Now they're thinking about reconciliation with you, but they're missing you so much because 3 of Swords with 9 of Swords. Definitely they're missing you and they are heartbroken without you and they're getting a lot of thoughts. they're losing their nights over you. And the wheel of fortune, maybe they're waiting for the right time to come towards you, maybe they're scared for rejection. So yeah, definitely they're missing you and they're thinking about reconciliation. And the signs are Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Yes, they're missing you. So let's see their intentions. Capricorn. Lot of cards. They're obsessed with you. And the Chariot, yes, they want to take action towards you. Six of Swords, they want to communicate with you and they want to fix the things between both of you. But there is lot of drama going between you and your person right now. And Five of Pentacles, the Devil, definitely they're missing you so much and they're feeling alone without you. And the Devil, they definitely, for some, this person may be toxic for you. They're obsessed with you. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn or Cancer, especially a Virgo. So definitely they want to make things better between both of you, but they're in very slow moving energy right now. They're missing you, they're feeling sad. Yes, Five of Pentacles, again they're feeling very heartbroken and they're obsessed with you. Maybe this person is very dominative in this connection. Maybe they are in and out of your life. This is on and off connection, that why maybe you decided to walk away from this connection, but you still have emotions for this person, Capricorn. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. See, Queen of Swords and King of Swords and Two of Pentacles under the deck. Yes, they're juggling. Maybe they're scared for rejection. And King of Swords and Queen of Swords, you both are very, I think you both are on the same page. You both are very straightforwarded. And yes, because they're taking their time, because you both are on the same page, I think you are setting the boundaries, Capricorn. Yes, you both are now very logical in this connection. Yes, there is some communication is going to be happen between both of you. And juggling, again, indecisiveness, making decision. You both are very stubborn also. Again, the Devil, I think you both are obsessed with each other a lot. And you both, I think you both are very stubborn to make a move towards each other, and you both are obsessed with each other. And Ace of Wands, yes, you both are obsessed with each other. There is physical attraction, lot of physical attraction. You both are attracted to each other a lot. And Nine of Pentacles, Capricorn, you are working on yourself, on your abundance, and you will achieve financial stability. Again, I think you person want to fix the things between both of you, but again they're thinking through their logical mind. So let me explain. Yes, some cycles are going to be end between both of you. And Ten of Swords, I think still you both want rebirth in this connection, or at least one person want rebirth in this connection, but your person will take some time to make a move towards you, because they also have ego problem. I am getting some ego problems, because King of Swords and Queen of Swords, you both are on the same level. So ego problems maybe. Yes, they want to fix the things between both of you, but they will take some time. And you are also obsessed with them. There is a lot of obsession, lot of passion between both of you, and your person missing you so much. Yes, 10 of swords and the world card. For some, this could be an ending also, very few. And for some, there will be some communication in near future. Then it depends. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck Capricorn. And this could be long distance relationship, you both in different cities, countries or states. Surrender to the divine, yes. And a time for healing. So surrender to the divine full moon. So if you are not getting any result out of this situation, let's the problem, surrender to the divine, and a time for healing. So if you are going a lot in your situation right now, if you are going through a lot in your life right now, this is the time to heal. Yes, a time for healing. So this is the reading for you, Capricorn. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.